Hey, welcome back to my channel. This project is regarding bean leaves disease detection, which having multi-feature using three classifiers as angular rust, bean rust, and healthy. You can see the description of every disease here, and we have added one healthy classifier as well. So to test this, we need to click on the test button. Here you can see a local server will be activated. On this server we have to give an input image. These are the input images which are outside from our dataset, and we have to upload that image. You will get the response within the seconds. So likewise we can test for different leaves. As you can see an image, and it is detecting the every disease with the help of faster RCN algorithm and giving you output with the help of detection boxes. Similarly, we can try for bean rust. Now we can also detect the same disease with the help of Android. You can see on my screen I have activated the local server, and that local server address is open in Android phone, and it is capturing the real-time images. As of now I don't have these leaves, but it will work with the help of those images which are already we have in our dataset. You can see the leaves images are getting uploaded via Android phone. This image will be uploaded to the server, and the server model will give you the output with the detection boxes. Also, this result will be stored in one of the folder to check the history. Similarly, we can try for different images. Let's try with the healthy one, because disease can be predicted easily. So this is the healthy leaf, and we are uploading this image to the server. After uploading the image, you will see that the model will be imported, and this image will be given to the model, and it will give you the output with the help of detection boxes. And here you can see it's healthy. So if you want to learn this project, you can enroll my Udemy course, or if you want to buy this project, you can find the link in description. Thank you.